Nutritionist Carlos Monteiro noticed a contradiction in Brazilian diets. People were buying less oil, sugar, and salt but still gaining weight. He created a new food classification system called NOVA, which categorizes foods based on how they are made. Ultra-processed foods, which are designed to displace freshly prepared dishes and keep you coming back for more, are linked to health issues. A study by Kevin Hall found that people on an ultra-processed diet ate around 500 extra calories per day and gained weight, despite the meals having the same nutrient compositions as whole foods. Ultra-processed food makes up almost 57% of the average UK diet and more than 60% of the US diet. Overconsumption of ultra-processed food has been linked to health issues such as cancer, obesity, and depression. Scientists can't agree on what is an ultra-processed food or why it should matter. Some think it's because junk food is more calorie-dense, while others believe additives might be playing a role. Alexandra de Felice Antonio's work draws parallels between junk food and the tobacco industry, suggesting that highly processed foods should be considered addictive substances. Government guidelines in Brazil advise people to avoid ultra-processed foods altogether, while French guidelines recommend limiting consumption. In the UK, an independent report recommended a tax on sugar and salt used in processed foods, but the government largely ignored these recommendations. Public agencies have been slow to respond to the role of processing in our diets. Ultra-processed foods are a huge part of our lives, but they're not good for us. Scientists are still trying to understand the science behind how ultra-processed food impacts our bodies. Policies to help people eat healthier diets or lead food companies to reformulate their products are needed. However, we need to be careful before demonizing the entire category of packaged and processed foods, as they are an important source of nutrition for many people.